Meaning of Hansard.
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 Hansard. Hansard refers to the edited transcripts of parliamentary debates in the UK, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. Originally named after the printer Thomas Curson Hansard, who first published these transcripts in the early 19th century, Hansard is now a commonly used term for the official record of the proceedings of these legislatures. These records are used by historians, politicians, researchers, and members of the public to understand the decision-making process of government, track the legislative history of bills, and assess the performance of individual parliamentarians.